If you wanted to break an item from being used, as an example, you want the user to read book and not use book. Would you just fake the output of use? Oh, yeah. If for example, I didn't, let's say that we have an item that's not usable. I would say console write line, you can't use this. However, this introduces number one reason why I don't like inheritance more than prop interfaces, which we're going to get into. This is not a perfect solution. This isn't a very good solution. I hate this solution, but it's what you would have to do. And once we get into interface,
that solution got bad very quickly.
Yes. But with interfaces, we can express this a little bit nicer. But can a gun still shoot? Certainly. We could still add a method onto our gun called shoot, public void shoot, and then inside of it we'll do boom. And then if we cast gun in, or an item into a gun, and it is a gun, then we can invoke the shoot method on it. But I don't want to talk about the is and as operators just yet, because those will make a lot more sense with interfaces.